Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 10 free tools that will help you start, manage, and grow your Etsy business at zero cost to you. So if you want to learn all about the 10 tools, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. Also, if you're interested in learning how to start your very own digital store, make sure that you check out my free masterclass. I will leave the link below. So let's go ahead and get started. I decided to create this video due to the fact of the pandemic that we're facing. And I know that for many of us, using or understanding what tools can we use that don't cost anything extra, that is very helpful, especially when we are eliminating bills. We're trying to manage our money and make it last as long as we can, because we are unsure of the uncertainty of what's going to happen, right? So these are great tools that I'm going to recommend today that, like I said, not only will help you start, but manage and grow your Etsy business during these hard times. So the first tool is my YouTube channel. I wanted to pointed it out to you guys. As you guys could see, I have tons of videos. You could either go to the video tab right here, and these are all the videos that I offer. And you could kind of browse through them and see what catches your attention and what topic you want to learn more about. Or you could go to the playlist. If you click on the playlist tab, they're organized by categories. So shop tools, Etsy tutorials, Etsy SEO, make money online, affiliate marketing, Pinterest, personal development, social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube tips, Etsy course, blogging tips, etc. So there's tons of videos here that will help you, and these are more categorized if you want to kind of go through them. But I have over 500 videos. I plan to upload a lot more for 2020. So there's tons of material that you could go through, and it will help you understand or learn more about Etsy, especially if you're a beginner on Etsy. So make sure that you go ahead and check out all of those videos. Now, the second resource I wanted to talk about is MailChimp. I talked about this yesterday and I got a lot of good response from it. So MailChimp is basically an email provider, and they actually have a free plan, and there's not that many email providers that offer you a free plan. So if you have less than 2,000 contacts, you could start your email list with them. Or if you have any, it doesn't matter, but as long as it's 2,000 or less, it's zero to start. So you could start collecting emails with MailChimp for free, and you don't pay anything. If you are new on Etsy, or maybe you have had an Etsy store for a long time but never started your email list, this is the time to do it. Do it now. Don't wait till later. Don't worry about, oh, it's been 2 years. Just start today, and you have a free plan that you could use that you don't have to pay anything for. So I highly recommend it. I'm actually a member, as you can see, for MailChimp, so I highly recommend this tool. Another tool that I recommend is Later. Now, Later is an automation tool that helps you post to your Instagram account as well as Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. I use Later on my Instagram account. I'll show you what I mean. So this is my Instagram account here. And this is their program here. When I click here, or somebody clicks there, they could visit any of my posts that I created by simply clicking on the actual post. So let's say they wanted to know about this new video, they could click there and it will take them to my YouTube channel. So that's a feature that you pay extra with Later. However, I do use them. So this is a recommended tool that I currently use. You could start the free plan for now, which includes one social media per platform and one user handle name. And you could get 30 posts for free on Instagram. You could post 50 posts for free on Twitter, 30 posts on Facebook, and 30 on Pinterest. So what that means is that you could schedule out every single month 30 posts for free. This is great for your business, for your Etsy business, because you could schedule out all of your content ahead of time and have more time for your business to create other things, to work on your emailers, work on whatever else you need to do, and get social media out of the way. But this is nice. There's not that many plans out there that offer a actual free plan. Later, if you want to upgrade, this is the one that I currently use. But if you want to upgrade, you can. And they give you all of this. If you use my link, my referral link, I will leave it below. You will get an extra 10 posts per month for free. As well, I will get an extra 10. But I want to make sure that you know this. If you use my link, instead of posting on Instagram 30 posts for free every month, now you will have 40 posts for free every month. So you'll get 10 on each platform additional. So that's really nice that they offer that. So I'm going to leave my link in the comment section below this video. So if you do end up signing up for later, make sure you use my link so you could get 40 in total. Now, the next tool that I want to recommend is Linktree. I used to use this tool before. I upgraded to later. This is an awesome tool. I'm thinking of maybe switching over, not 100% sure yet, only because of money-wise. I was laid off as well from my job on March 24, and I am the one that is right now currently paying for all the bills at my home. So therefore, I have been also doing the same thing you guys been doing, kind of saying, okay, what can I remove that I could, I don't necessarily need right now, and save, even if it's $20 a month. So this one here is free, and it does the similar thing like this. When somebody clicks here, it gets like a little screen, and you could send traffic to any destination you want. So you could have a tab for shop at my Etsy store, and then you could have another tab, save 10% on your next purchase for your email list, and you can have another tab that says, find us on Facebook or join our Facebook group. So you could have different tabs for different destinations, and when people visit your profile and they click on your bio link, they could essentially go to these different pages where you could collect an email, where you could get a sale, where you could get a new subscriber, etc. So this is a great tool to have. If you don't have any sort of link right now in your bio that takes people to different pages, especially if you love Instagram and you want to market there, I recommend signing up today. It's actually free. You could upgrade, but the free one is good enough, to be quite honest. You're going to love this tool here. So check it out. It's free to use. It's called Linktree. Just Google them or go to linktree.com to see their to sign up today. The next tool is the one I always talk about, is eRank. This is the one that I use for my Etsy store. This is the one that I recommend for Etsy sellers. eRank, they have a pro version, but the free one is as useful, as great. You don't have to sign up for the pro version if you don't have the $10 a month. But with the free one, you're able to go in there, you're able to grow your business, you're able to connect your Etsy store. They have tons of free features and tools you could start using to grow your business, as well as like keyword research for SEO. They have like-minded individuals that will help you. They have things that you could use to watch your competition, to see how you're ranking. I mean, they just have so many things. The list goes on and on and on, but you could use their services for free, especially during this time. So I highly recommend, if you have not done so yet, to check them out. The next tool I wanted to talk about is Craft Count. I talk about this one pretty often, I feel. Craft Count is a great tool for competitor research. So you're able to see the top daily sellers. Also, you're able to see them by category and country. So this is a great tool to see what's selling, what's trending. Is my idea good enough? Who are my competitors? Use this tool, and it's a free tool. You don't pay anything to use for it. So I highly recommend checking them out. The next tool is Bitly. Now, Bitly is a really cool tool because it helps you share. Well, first of all, this is a great tool when you're sharing your listings on social media. So if you decide to share your Etsy listing on Facebook, instead of having that long URL that doesn't look good and looks ugly, you could actually make that URL shorter, prettier, and you could even customize it with your branding. So I personally use it. As you guys could see, I have the free account. I don't pay for an upgrade, the free account is good for me, but I highly recommend it. It's really nice because you're able to shorten your link. And it's just really, really cool tool to use, especially because you're going to be using it pretty often, especially when you start sharing your items or your products on social media platforms, or even if you email it to someone. It's just nicer to have a shorter link than having one that's very, very long and people think of it as spam. So just keep that in mind. Another one is Canva, and this is another one that I feel like I talk a lot about in my channel. Canva, you could pretty much design anything you need for your Etsy business when it comes to social media, when it comes for an email list, like maybe you want to do like an email banner, when it comes to creating banners for your Etsy store, when it comes to creating templates, poster, flyers, anything you can imagine, you could do so. And you could use their free starting point. Canva, you could just sign up and start using it for free. And then if you want to upgrade, you can, but you don't have to pay anything just to use it, which is a nice part of it. Now, this one is a little bit different. This one is Unsplash. And this website is absolutely my favorite website for photos. I honestly can't believe that they don't charge to use their photos. And you could use their you could download their photos and use it for any type of project that you need. And the best part is that you don't need to give any attribution. You don't need to tag the person. If you want to, it's a great thing to do all the time, or to get used to doing. But you don't need to tag anyone, and you could use any of their photos. Let's say you wanted to find a photo of pink, something pink. You could come here and they have so many pretty pictures. Look at these pretty pictures. I use a lot of them for my social media campaigns. I use a lot of them for my Instagram. They have tons and tons. You could just pretty much put anything in here, smile, and you'll get tons of pictures that you could use for your business. It's really, really a great website, guys. I highly recommend. You could put cities. I'm from Chicago. You could look up cities and have beautiful pictures of that particular city that you live at. So they have so many things you could look up, and they have thousands and thousands of photos. All of these are free. You could just download and use, and you don't have to give no attribution for them. Now, the last site I wanted to talk about is called Ecommerce Time. This is something that I don't think a lot of people use. I highly recommend using them. I go in here and I read through different stories. They have a lot of really great articles. This is a great website for people that are in the e-commerce like me and you. And it's an online site. It has anything you need to know about online business. It has like tech business topics. They include obviously e-commerce, social media, security, and much more. So many great articles. This one was a really good one that I read. Trying times for employee engagement. I was reading that. But these are all great articles that teaches you about e-commerce, doing business online, things that are happening around the world, how it's affecting all types of businesses. But I highly recommend checking them out. You could look through here. You could look through e-commerce, which is like Etsy, and kind of go through these and see what you could learn. But they have an article every single day, if not two per day. But they do a really good job of updating their site, and they have tons of great information. So I wanted to throw it in there because this is free also. You don't have to subscribe, and you don't have to pay, a monthly fee. You could just come here and browse through stuff and just get more information if you needed to. But these are the top 10 free Etsy tools that I recommend. They're not particular, like this one is not meant for Etsy, but it does have e-commerce information. So keep that in mind. These are all different types of tools that you can use right now to grow your business, to manage your business, and you don't need to pay anything at the current moment. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to learn more about videos like this, or if you'd like me to create more videos on these type of topics, let me know in the comment section below, please. As soon as you put a comment, maybe someone else will comment as well. And if I get a lot of people telling me the same thing, that's when I create those additional videos or requested videos that I call them. So make sure you leave a comment below, and thank you everybody for watching.